Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Carrie from Clean Eating Kitchen, and today we're gonna make a really easy Instant Pot beef and bean chili. It's super easy. It takes less than half the time that it would to make on the stovetop. It's easy and it's delicious and it's so comforting and hearty. You can use it as part of your meal prep. You can freeze the leftovers, or you can just serve it for a potluck or a great family event. So let's get started. Let me show you my ingredients. First, we have 2 chopped sweet potatoes, avocado oil, minced garlic, dried cumin and chili powder, beans that I've rinsed and drained, beef broth, grass-fed beef, and 1 chopped onion. First, we set the Instant Pot to saute and add the oil and let it heat up for a few minutes. Next, we'll add the onion and the garlic and we'll let them cook for a few minutes just so they start to soften. Then, we'll add the beef and use a spatula or a wooden spoon to start to break it up while it cooks. Next, we'll add the chili powder and the cumin. Then we'll add the salt, and then after a few minutes, we'll add the beef broth, and we'll stir it all together. Next, we'll add the chopped sweet potatoes and the beans, and we'll give it another stir. Next, we'll cancel the saute button and we'll lock on the lid on the Instant Pot and set the timer to high pressure for 10 minutes. After the Instant Pot is done cooking, we'll let the pressure come down naturally for about 10 minutes, or you can carefully quick release the pressure. We'll remove the lid and we'll stir the ingredients together and we'll serve it hot. You can add whatever toppings you like to your chili. You could add some shredded cheese, you could add some chopped green onions, you could add some fresh salsa. This chili will keep in the refrigerator for about 4 days, or you can freeze it and keep it up to about 1 or 2 months in the freezer before reheating it on the stovetop.